Hey guys, it's BW and I'm back out in the garage. It's Wednesday night. I haven't been in the garage since Sunday night. I was going into withdrawals. That's the way it goes. I had some family stuff going on, but we're back out here now. I'm still hard at work on these transition pieces. I found a really cool mode on that Digital 200 Eastwood TIG machine I got. It's a spot welding mode, and I wanted to show it to you guys real quick. It's what I ended up using to do those inside seams on that transition. Stick around and check us out. Okay guys, I want to show you the spot weld mode on the Digital 200 from Eastwood real quick. I just found it. I just started using it tonight, first time. I put a little practice piece here in the vise. I've already put one little zippy on it, and I wanted to show it to you guys real quick. And then I'll put another one on the other side. This is two pieces of metal. You can see, I put them together. And all I did was give it a little zap and bam, it's welded. It's, the torch is a flexible head torch for welding. I got 1/16 inch tungsten in there, and I'm using the thumb mode. That means you're gonna get it all as soon as you hit the button, okay? It's a foot pedal, you can control the amperages up and down, but when you're using the thumb control, at least on this machine, you're getting it. So I figured I'd set the machine, for me it's kind of low, for some of you it may be hot, especially on sheet metal. I got it set at 60 amps. And you can see here, this little arrow button, you can choose which setting you want on the welder, and we got it set to spot mode. See, set the button and it'll go all through the motions. All right, and we're back on spot mode. I gotta tell you, I'm really impressed with this machine. I got a Miller at work that's about $10,000. This machine will do everything it will, and I think I got it just under $1,000 from Eastwood. I really like it. The duty cycle's lower because it's air cooled, but other than that, man, it does everything you need it to do. So, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna give this a little zap on the other side, and I'll bring you guys back in and show it to you. You'll see how quick it is. It's a very quick process. Gave it a little extra zip on there, but it's still okay. All right, wait till you see how nice that little tack is, guys. Look at that little tack, the one on the right of the screen. I just did it right there. Beautiful job. Okay, and I gave it one little extra zip, and that's whenever I put that little thing in there. No big deal. But I was thinking about it, and I said, hey man, maybe I could use that for the inside of the transition piece. And I'll be darned if it didn't work out great. Now, I don't know if you guys can see in there. One side was way higher than the other. So I just zapped it right on the top. You'll see it's got like little teeth in there, but there's welds all the way down. I got my, sat on the ground down there, got my fat head up in there, and just gave her some zaps. And boy, it worked great. So, this transition piece on this side is done. Even up through here, I put the regular, plug welds in that one, so it's ready to go. Over here, I'm getting ready to do this one. I'll probably do it tomorrow night. Maybe I'll bring you guys in and talk for a few minutes. I don't want to bore you on the same stuff, but I can't tell you guys how hard it is to get these transition pieces just right. Putting a lot of time and effort into them. I mean, I've almost got, I don't know, 10 hours total in that one, and maybe a little bit more in that one. It took me over 4 hours just to get the light to sit correctly. And then you still have to make all the other sheet metal pieces work. So we're working it as hard as we can. I'm still hoping to be able to start on this track for the back window. Maybe this weekend we can get that going. I'm always hopeful to get more done than I ever get done. But we're working it. So I'll get back with you guys tomorrow. I hope you guys like this little tip, because I sure like it. I just found it and it works great. See you tomorrow. Hey guys, I just wanted to take a second to give myself a quick plug. I'd ask you to hit the subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. If you could hit the like button, I'd really appreciate that as well. That lets YouTube know that this content's pretty good. They'll show it to more people, and we can get some more folks in here to join. Hey guys, it's Thursday evening. I'm going to try to get this transition piece on the passenger side welded in today. I'm hoping it gets done. That job just seems to keep going and going. We're also going to peek in. The wife's putting another coat on the beak of the bird. We'll take a quick peek at that. So let me get the camera set up and we'll go ahead and take a peek at that toolbox, and then we're going to go over here and start working on a transition piece. Okay guys, the camera died a while ago. It's many hours later. I'm still not done with the transition pieces, but that's all right. I started to get worked up, so I stopped. I started cleaning the shop. I had like guys that work on cars know what I'm talking about. The rust dust, it was everywhere. You know, you're grinding and the moisture gets in the air and the little grinding bits, it's just dusty, but it's rusty. So I want to start cleaning up the shop. I'm going to take a day and just clean it up. Let me show you what I did get done on the transition piece. It's not bad. It looks really good. Well, at least for me, it looks good, I guess. So it's welded to the splash pan down through here. We're happy with that. I put tacks right here, just like I did on the driver's side, just to hold it. And I even added one down here, and I think I want to add one over there on that side that I didn't put on yet. We got it plug welded down through here. I had to build this. I had to split this and just kind of hammer at it and weld the corners and then grind at it to get it to look right, because this side, it was just goofy the whole way through. Same thing down in here. The inside quarter piece was up and I had to roll it into here and put a tack, and we got it straightened out though. We're welded up through there, okay? You see the little burn marks, but it didn't burn through, so that's good. Kind of looks like the factory, you know, when they put those welds on there, the spot welds on there, so it kind of looks cool. I missed one tech screw hole. I'll have to fix that tomorrow. Well, I'm going to break the TIG unit back out, and I'm going to do the same thing on the inside of this that I did on that side. It seemed to work really well with that spot welding mode. We're going to do that, get that done tomorrow. But I'm going to put this video up. It's good enough. You guys know that I got the transition pieces in, the splash pans in. Are they 100% done? I don't think so, but I want to get my buddy to come over, because I'm not sure. Do I weld this solid here, or do I just leave it, seam seal the inside around the welds, and then just body work it? I'm going to find out, because I've never built a car. I don't know. I feel like we did a good job here. So the light lens fits good. The trunk looks beautiful. So we're happy. All right. We're happy with it. So I'm going to clean my shop up and stuff tomorrow and take a day, calm down. Look at that, one of those lantern flies. They're not supposed to be here, and the little tiniest spider got him. See that? That invasive bug don't belong. They're everywhere, but the tiniest little brown spider we got ate him right up. So that gives me a little bit of hope. So let me put this video up. I'm going to put the video at the end of this about the giveaway, but I appreciate everybody's support. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, let them know that we're doing a good job here. Till next time, everybody. Hey guys, it's BW and I'm back out in the garage. Hey listen, I'm having a giveaway on my channel to try to promote it and bring more people in. When we hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to give away this Craftsman all steel 20-inch toolbox. But there's a bonus. I've commissioned my wife to hand paint the Mr. Horsepower on it. And I mean, the girl's got some skills. This is the one she's painting on it. It's going to be maybe scaled 2 sizes smaller to fit the box. She's working on that one for me right now. But here it is. That's like the first coat. Guys, it takes a few coats, but man, oh man, I'm going to show you the progress as she works through the job. And tell as many people as you can. Let's get some people in here, okay? It'll make a nice addition to your man cave or your she shed if you don't have a hot rod. But as soon as we hit 1,000, I'm randomly giving it to one of you. Take care, everybody.